Okay, good morning guys. So, dumating na yung order natin na TOPK AM66 fast charging micro USB. So, unbox natin. So, magnetic ito guys. The reason why bumili tayo nito is kasi fast charging siya na cable wire. At maganda naman yung review niya. I just share the link later on. Wow, so yan. So fresh unbox. So we ordered red and black. Yan. So mayroon siyang tatlong all-in-one connection charger siya guys. So check natin itong red muna. So mayroon siyang dalawang extra pa siya. Type C. Yan o. Type C yan. At ito for phone, for iPhone, yan o. Yan. For iPhone. At yung basic ito lang. Ano ba ito? Ito munting lang. Ay. Yan. So, open natin. Okay. So, yan. Sealed na sealed. Yan. So, ito yung type C. So, yan. So, you can twist 90 degrees. Then, you can remove. Kasi magnetic siya, guys. Yan. So, magnetic siya. So, okay. So, we will test. Kuha lang tayo ng cellphone dito. So, how can we charge something? Ano pwede natin ma-charge dito? Ito. So, ito na lang yung transformer. So, focus mo dito. So, ito yung trapo natin guys na fast charge. Okay guys, so kumuha ako ng cellphone. Ito yung cellphone natin na Y6. So, i-connect ko lang. So, ngayon, di yan nag-charge. Yan o. Yan o. Hindi siya nag-charge. Yan. So, connect ko na. So, it's charging now. Yan. So, it's charging. Yan. Kita nyo? Yan. So, it's charging. So, I remove. So, yan o. Pwede mo siya ma-fold. So, if nag-gaming ka, yan. Pwede siya. Diba? Ma-bend mo siya kasi. Tapos, you can just remove. Ayan o, naka-blue. Yan. And then, you can just remove. Yan. Yan. So, pwedeng ito na lang. Gamitin mo. And if ready ka na mag-charge yan, charge mo lang ulit. Yan. Saan ba yan? Yan. Okay, so we'll try out the other one, the black one. Ito yung black kay white. So, yung charger. Kasi ang kagandahan talaga nito guys is yung fast charging capability niya. Okay. So, kunin ko na lang to. Lagay ko dyan. So, ang brand niya guys is TOPK. It's shipped from China. So, mga 1 week lang siguro yung shipping niya. Yan. So, connect natin. Yan yung indicator niya dito. Focus mo please. Ayan o, indicator niya. So, connect natin. Yan. So, it's charging 80%. Sabi niya. Yan. So far, gumagana siya guys. So, try ko naman. Hindi ko na kukunan yan. Try ko naman yung other ports niya. So, ito naman guys yung Type-C. Try natin ang Type-C. If magcha-charge siya dito. Yan. Yan guys, oh. So, it's charging our app. Yan. So, Type-C yan. So, sa black yan. So, try natin ang try naman natin yung red. Kasi yung ano guys, yung old natin na hindi siya fast charging. So ito fast charging. So, okay, so try natin. Yan, naka-on na siya. Yan. Check natin. Yan. So it's charging. Yan. Okay, so thank you for watching guys. I will just create a follow-up video kung talagang kung talagang fast magkano or how long siya mag-charge ng phone by average. Okay, so if you like this video, subscribe, like and subscribe. Okay? Okay, bye na, bye. Bye. And by the way, just to add guys, may nag-order sa atin ng power bank from our store. So, i-deliver natin mamaya. So, he ordered 2 power bank na Rapu, and we included the step-up module na din. Okay, para magamit niya yung modem niya if in case mag-run out. Okay, so thank you Sir Lee for your order.
Bye!
Bye-bye!